Well, we all know that we've been missing the rain here in Pennsylvania, and this map, this graphic just really shows it. The grass definitely needs a good watering, a soaking rain, as Ron Smiley calls it. The Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection just expanded its drought watch from 13 to 29 counties, now including Armstrong and Butler counties. And you can see from this map where your county sits currently. And I mean, that green says normal, but again, a number of counties under the drought watch and drought warning with the orange and yellow colors there, Ron.
Yeah, I think that most folks will say, yeah, we need some rain. It's not just the greening up of the vegetation out there. It's also things like well water lined and levels that I've been hearing folks saying, hey, we're starting to see. That well, at least it's a little slower to recharge when folks are maybe tapping into a well or something like that. So we need some rain. We did get some in late last night, just before midnight. 9/100 of an inch officially in the Pittsburgh area. Most places, though, less than 5/100 of an inch coming in. We didn't think that we were going to see a lot. I was saying generally a 1/10 of an inch or less. Maybe an isolated spot seeing more than that. We did get that in the DuBois area, 21/100 of an inch for the month of September, which is now done. It's in the books, 92/100 of an inch of rain. That's all we saw for the entire month. It was one of the 15 driest Septembers. In fact, if we want to be accurate, 14th driest September on record. More than 2 inches below the monthly average. At least we were slightly warmer than average when it came to our temperatures. Coming in at about ½ degree warmer than the average. Hey, temperatures right now, it's 46 outside. Dew point coming in at 43. Winds out of the southwest at 5 miles an hour. Here's a look at those temperatures for you. Butler, 45. Kittanning at 47 degrees. Washington, 45. And Waynesburg coming in 42. As you're stepping out the door this morning, 47. 7 o'clock temperature, 49 at 8. 53 at 9 o'clock. And sunrise, if you're wondering about that, about 7:17. This morning. First day of October is going to be sunny and mild is what it looks like. We still have a small chance. I only have it at 20% for some rain in the overnight hours tonight. Friday and Saturday it's going to be cooler than this. So we're looking at high temperatures just into the 50s. Coldest morning over the next 7 days also will likely be on Saturday morning. Hey, things are dry right now. Big spin in the atmosphere. That's going to be that upper low in the trough that'll sink in place over the course of the overnight hours tonight. It'll be around both Friday, Saturday, keeping those temperatures cool and keeping us with a small chance here and there for some rain. We'll keep it dry Saturday. Better chance for rain on Sunday afternoon. Could see about 1/5 of an inch or so of rain then. For today, we're going to go 64 your high. We'll put the 4 o'clock temperature there at 63, 59 at 7. And here's your 7-day outlook, including temperatures down to the mid to upper 50s for highs Friday and Saturday. And we're waking up to temperatures around 40 degrees on Saturday morning here in Pittsburgh.